See the blue line starts to go significantly above the green line, suggesting the crack spread is now no longer buy side. No longer buy side. And as a result, taking it from the bottom edge, 75 points higher, sorry, 126 points higher, to the 75, and it gives me my exit price. Well, I was able to then ride this for a full $1,000, knowing what the implied volatility is. I'm not having to chop it out too early. I'm trying to add back in at times. I'm trying to get back in. We got back in here, and I got back in here. And you might think to yourself, well, that's a bit bold, getting back in below VWAP. But the move is 126 points. It's a $1,200 move. We've only gone 50 by the time we trade this 57s. So on the basis I've only gone 50, I still think I've got about a $700 upside on these buy trades, guys. A $700 upside on the buy trade, assuming the value stays bid. And fortunately, the value does stay bid. And we're able to ride it for $700 more on the upside. So it's not just that makes that decision, is it? It's the value that's arriving. It's the price action that we're seeing. It's the elements that are all forming at the same time, giving me that very strong suggestion that we're going to go bid above VWAP. Well, we called this live, actually, in the room, did I not? See, when this was happening here, did I not say that we're now expecting 57 to hold the bid, to stay bid? Did I not say that out loud? Or did I just imagine that I said it in my head? I probably should have and probably did say out loud, 57 bid is likely to hold now, and we're looking to take the market up from here. So therefore, we bought some more at 57s. One day, if you believe us, one day, if you trust that storyline, you might have bought some 57s yourself. And maybe you took advantage of a $750 of upside beautifulness. This is where the difference between retail and professional traders arrive, because you can see just how quality these ideas are. You can see just how real these narratives form in real time. And as you see them forming in real time, you start making sure, and you can see what's happened at 75, it's dropped down to 50 again. So we managed to save ourselves a 25-point move back to the sell side again. This isn't good trading. This is world-class trading if you follow these ideas. And it's already given to you by world-class dealers. The information is already on your screens. You already know these things. All you've got to do now is pull out that information and find the opportunity.